The engine is the heart of your car, a powerful machine that transforms fuel into motion. It's a fascinating combination of mechanical ingenuity and controlled explosions, propelling us forward on our daily journeys. Understanding how your car engine works can deepen your appreciation for the complex machinery that powers our modern world. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a curious car owner, this essay will guide you through the fundamentals of car engines, demystifying their inner workings and empowering you with knowledge. From the basic principles of internal combustion to the rise of electric vehicles, we'll delve into the fascinating world under the bonnet. Join us as we explore the different types of engines, common problems to watch out for, and the importance of regular maintenance. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound understanding of the intricate systems that make our cars move. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride into the heart of your car. Most car engines operate on a four-stroke cycle, a beautifully choreographed sequence of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. Imagine a cylinder inside the engine, with a piston moving up and down. 1. Intake stroke. The piston moves down, drawing a mixture of fuel and air into the cylinder. Imagine filling a syringe by pulling back the plunger. 2. Compression stroke. The piston moves back up, compressing the fuel-air mixture into a smaller space. This compression generates heat, much like squeezing a bicycle pump. 3. Combustion stroke. A spark ignites the compressed fuel-air mixture, causing a small explosion that pushes the piston back down with great force. Think of the rapid expansion of popcorn when heated. 4. Exhaust stroke. The piston moves back up, pushing the burnt gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve. Visualize squeezing the last bit of toothpaste out of a tube. This cycle repeats hundreds of times per minute, converting chemical energy from the fuel into mechanical energy that turns the car's wheels. While both petrol and diesel engines rely on internal combustion, they differ in how they ignite the fuel-air mixture. Petrol engines use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, creating a spark much like a miniature lightning bolt. Diesel engines, on the other hand, compress the air to such a high temperature that the fuel ignites spontaneously upon injection. Imagine using a magnifying glass to focus sunlight and start a fire. This difference in ignition methods gives diesel engines higher compression ratios and greater fuel efficiency. However, diesel engines tend to produce more noise and particulate emissions compared to their petrol counterparts. The choice between a petrol and diesel engine often depends on individual driving needs and preferences. Petrol engines are generally quieter and smoother, while diesel engines offer better fuel economy for long-distance driving. In recent years, electric vehicles, or EVs, have emerged as a compelling alternative to traditional combustion engines. Instead of burning fuel, EVs rely on electric motors powered by batteries. Imagine a toy car powered by batteries, but on a much larger and more sophisticated scale. These electric motors provide instant torque, resulting in quick acceleration and a silent, smooth driving experience. Moreover, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a cleaner and more environmentally friendly option. Charging an EV is as simple as plugging it into a dedicated charging station or a household outlet. As battery technology continues to advance, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly practical and affordable, ushering in a new era of sustainable transportation. Section 5. Common engine concerns. What to look out for. Like any complex machine, car engines are susceptible to wear and tear over time. Understanding common engine problems can help you identify and address issues before they escalate into major repairs. One common problem is a worn-out timing belt, responsible for synchronizing the engine's valves. A broken timing belt can lead to catastrophic engine damage, highlighting the importance of regular inspections and replacement. Another frequent issue is overheating, often caused by a malfunctioning cooling system. Overheating can lead to engine damage, so it's crucial to address any signs of overheating promptly. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge on your dashboard, and be wary of any unusual noises or steam coming from under the bonnet. Section 6. Keeping your engine healthy. Regular maintenance tips. Regular maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your car engine and preventing costly repairs. Just like our bodies need regular checkups, car engines thrive on routine care and attention. One essential maintenance task is changing the engine oil and filter regularly. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts, reducing friction and preventing wear. Over time, engine oil degrades and loses its effectiveness, making regular oil changes essential. Another important aspect of engine maintenance is checking and replacing air filters. Air filters prevent dust, dirt, and other contaminants from entering the engine, ensuring optimal airflow and combustion. Clogged air filters can restrict airflow, reducing engine performance and fuel efficiency. Section 7. Troubleshooting 101. Identifying engine problems. While modern cars are equipped with sophisticated sensors and warning lights, it's helpful to be familiar with common signs of engine trouble. Early detection can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. One telltale sign of engine problems is unusual noises. A knocking sound could indicate worn-out bearings, while a hissing sound might suggest a vacuum leak. Pay attention to any new or unusual noises coming from your engine and consult a mechanic if you're unsure about their source. Another red flag is a decrease in fuel efficiency. If your car suddenly starts guzzling more fuel than usual, it could be a sign of a problem with the fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, or other engine components. Section 8. The importance of understanding your car's engine. Understanding how your car engine works empowers you as a car owner. It allows you to communicate more effectively with mechanics, make informed decisions about repairs, and even perform basic maintenance tasks yourself. Knowledge is power, and knowing the ins and outs of your car's engine can save you from being taken advantage of by unscrupulous mechanics. It also enables you to be proactive about maintenance, potentially preventing minor issues from escalating into major problems. Furthermore, understanding your car engine can deepen your appreciation for the ingenuity and complexity of automotive technology. It's fascinating to realize the intricate processes happening under the bonnet every time you turn the ignition key. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the future of automotive technology. Car engines have come a long way since their inception, and the future of automotive technology promises even more exciting advancements. From hybrid engines that combine combustion and electric power to hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, the automotive industry is constantly evolving. As we move towards a more sustainable future, understanding the principles of car engines will become increasingly important. Whether you're driving a petrol-powered car, a diesel truck, or an electric vehicle, appreciating the mechanics that power our vehicles allows us to make informed decisions about our transportation choices. So, embrace the fascinating world of car engines and never stop learning about the incredible machines that keep us moving. The more you understand about your car's engine, the better equipped you'll be to keep it running smoothly for years to come.